15 seconds. That's it. That's how long the average person spends on your website before getting bored and looking somewhere else. This lesson is the first step in learning how to build a website with Jarvis that keeps people's attention. So what is the main purpose of a website in the first place? The main purpose is simple. Your website needs to answer three main questions. What do you do? How is it going to make the customer's life better? And how do they get or purchase it? Throughout your website, you will need to answer these questions. Each section of your website should be centered around these questions and helping answer them. If you have content that isn't helping answer these questions, well, you might consider whether you need it or not. Now, before we dive in and I show you how to use Jarvis to create awesome content built around the answers to those questions, just know that this course is not necessarily about me showing you the best page designs, themes, fonts, layouts, etc. because, well, every client and situation is different, and you as the website builder need to create a unique look for them. This course is really going to focus on getting our marketing copy supercharged by Jarvis so that we can get the most out of our traffic. Also, just know that I'm going to focus on what happens when people arrive at your website and not as much about how to get them to your website. This course is built to help keep people's attention and creatively engage with your traffic. There are wonderful experts out there who specialize in driving traffic to your website. And while Jarvis can create SEO-rich content, especially with its integration with Serve for SEO, the research that you need to do for keywords, ranking on Google, etc. is work that you and your client need to do before you ever build this website. I would strongly urge you to research and compile keywords, a competitor analysis, and other important SEO data points prior to moving forward in this video series so that you can get the most out of using Jarvis and creating great copy. Now, where were we? Yes, 15 seconds. We need to answer those three main questions in the first 15 seconds when a customer lands on our website. So my homework assignment for you is, before we go any further, is to spend time writing out the answers to those three questions. And if you and your client can't answer those, I would highly suggest that you sit down and discover these answers before doing anything else. These answers will be our guiding light throughout the build out process. And by having these questions answered, we can quickly reference them for Jarvis so he can write compelling offers and content for us.